Hi, I am Rahul.
Hi, I am Hemant.
We are studying grade 6. Today I am explaining about human respiratory system. The main parts of respiratory systems are nostril, nasal cavity, pharynx, trachea, lungs, bronchus, bronchioles, alveoli.
Respiration means breathing in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. By breathe in oxygen, it enters to nostrils. From nostrils, oxygen enters to pharynx. From pharynx, it enters to trachea and bronchus. And this bronchus is divided into two parts: are left bronchus and right bronchus. And it goes to lungs. This lungs is main part of respiratory system. In the lungs, we have branches like structure called bronchioles. From bronchioles, oxygen enters to alveoli. These alveoli are attached to the blood vessels. In blood vessels, we have blood, and from blood vessels, oxygen is go to heart, and from heart, it's supplied to overall body parts. And now I'll show how it works. See how it works.
Thank you.